In this model, we collected data and found the average lifespans for men, women, Americans, and the world. With this information, we are able to predict what the average lifespan will be in the future until the year 2250 and as early as the year 1850.
The goal of this model is to find trends in the life expectancy of humans in the years from 1800 to the present. In addition, we would like to predict what the life expectancy will be for humans in the future. We have broken our data down into the categories of American women, American men, nationwide average, and worldwide average.
We assume that negative values for life expectancies is not possible. We also assume that we can have negative values for the years because people were alive before our starting date of 1800. We assume that the years during the Great Depression and war times will have a lower life expectancy because living conditions were not favorable. Our best regression model for American men and average men is the power regression.
We use the equation with the highest correlation to answer how long we will live in future years. The strength of our model is that we collected a lot of current data. A major weakness of our model is the lack of historical data from the life expectancy average. We tried linear, quadratic, cubic, and exponential regressions for these same categories, but we found power and quartic regressions to be the best overall and have the closest correlation to 1.
For American women in worldwide data, the best regression was quartic. We see that there are many situations that have caused dips and rises in the average lifespan, such as wars, depressions, famines, and other disasters in the world. Looking at trends in our data, we can see advances in medical science. One example is the Shepard-Towner Maternity and Infancy Act. It helped women receive medical aid during pregnancy and giving birth, which helped lower both infant and mother mortality rates.
For the women in the world, quartic model did not work well for extrapolation because of the upward trend before 1850 and the downward trend beyond the year 2000. We would need to use a power or logarithmic function for better extrapolation values. This function is used in business for insurance, social security, pensions, and financial planning institutions in order to prepare for increasing lifespans.
To conclude, we have some predictions for our generation. According to data from the World Bank, people born in 1999 are predicted to live to be 76.7 years old. Our model predicted a life of 77 years old. According to our model, people born this year are expected to live to be 80 years old, and people born in 2076, our expected death year, should live to be 92 years old. Finally, people born 1,000 years after us are expected to live to be 96 years old.
And your great-great-great-granddaughter is to die, to die. Took me to the future in the Fox thing, and I saw everything. Boy bands, and another one, and another one, and another one. Perfect with round hair, like Star Wars, float up on the floor. We drove around in a time machine, what in a film scene. Yeah.